I am back. Hi everyone, how's it going? I hope you all been well. If you're new to my channel, then my name's Julie and welcome to my Jtru channel. I'm really sorry I've been missing for so long. It's just that I've been so busy working on my Etsy shop and finding things to resell on eBay and also just life in general. But I have really missed filming and uploading videos for you guys. So here it is. I've got a video to show you how to sew this little beauty. It was so fun to make, so give it a go. And I think this would make a really great gift for somebody. I mean, Mother's Day is around the corner. Hint, hint. I hope you enjoyed this video today and please like, comment and subscribe and to see more of these future videos. You will need some fabric, some stuffing, a pen, some pins, and a template, but this is optional, some scissors, and finally a needle and some white thread. You want to start off by laying out your fabric and then using the template to trace around with, or you can freehand this if you like. Sorry if you can't see the markings, but I promise you there are marks there. And now do the second one. Once that's done, just cut them out. And now we have 2 layers. And then only using 1 layer, you want to write out the word love or anything else you prefer. I wanted the wording to be a bit thicker, so I double threaded this through the needle. And just double knot it. So to start off with the L, I'm going to pierce the needle through and basically just follow this step. It's like a chain stitching. This may take a bit of practice, but I promise you it's really fun, and practice does make perfect, so give it a go. I've always loved sewing because it's very therapeutic, and also my mum used to sew a lot, so that's where I got my skills from. I know sometimes you can buy these sort of things from the shop, but it's so different when it's handmade, and when you give it to somebody, it's like so thoughtful. And once that's done, you want to join the other layer together and just add some pins. So now I'm going to close this up with a blanket stitch. You can sew it however you like. You can use a sewing machine or a hot glue gun, but I just love the way this looks. I hope you're getting the idea of how to do this stitching. It can take some practice, but give it a go. I also have other videos that have more of this type of sewing, so go check them out. I will list it in the description box below. And this is the best part, you just have to add the stuffing in. And finally, just secure it with a pin and close up the gap. I've got my cat right here. He wants to get involved. Hello. My cat Biggies.